Good afternoon, students. As you see, question number 5, exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2, question number 5. Matrix A is given, matrix B is given. Then compute 3A minus 5B. Before going to the solution, let me tell you, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos of all the classes. Now, coming back to the example, 3A. A should be multiplied with 3. Let's see what is the answer. 3 into 2 by 3. Or you can write just a small multiplication. 3 into 1. 3 into 5 by 3. 3 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. Like that, 3 get cancelled 1. 3 get cancelled 2. 3 get cancelled 4. Now 3 get cancelled 7. 3 2s are 6. 3 get cancelled 2. Now I'll write 2, 3, 5. Okay, friends? 3 get cancelled like this. 3 into 2 by 3. So directly we have it. Now we will move to 5B. We will move to 5B. What is the answer, see students? 2 by 5. 5 into 2 by 5. 5 get cancelled 2. 5 get cancelled 3. 5 into 1, 5. 5 get cancelled 1. 5 into 2 by 5. Again 5 get cancelled. Again 5 get cancelled. 7. 5 get cancelled students. 6. 5 get cancelled students. So this is our answer for 3A and 5B. Moving further, we need 3A minus 5B. What is 3A answer? 2, 3, 5. Okay. Now 1, 2, 4. Now 7, 6, 2. Minus. What is 5B answer? 5B answer. 5 get cancelled 2. 5 get cancelled 3. 5 into 1, 5. 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. Let's simplify. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Or directly you can write 0. 3 minus 3. 5 minus 5. 1 minus 1. 2 minus 2. 4 minus 4. 7 minus 7. 6 minus 6. 2 minus 2. What is the answer, students? See? 2 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. 5 get cancelled. 4, 2, 1 minus 1. 7 minus 7. 6 minus 6. 2 minus 2. So only remaining is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All the elements are 0, so we can label this as 0 matrix. This is how we completed the question number 5. Now moving further, We will move to the next question. Question number 6. Simplify. Cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta cos theta sin theta. Now, suppose this complete expression as general expression. Suppose that as general expression. Now, it is given multiplication of this matrix with cos theta. Now, cos theta get multiplied with all the elements. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cos theta into sin theta, different terms as it is cos theta into sin theta. Now, cos theta into minus sin theta, cos theta into sin theta, plus into minus minus, cos theta into sin theta, cos theta sin theta, दो different terms है as it is. Now, cos theta into cos theta same term है, कितना आएगा cos square theta. Moving to the next, plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, sin theta into minus cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. Now sin theta into cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Now multiplication is completed. Now moving to the addition. First term cos square theta plus first term sin square theta. Second term cos theta sin theta. Second term plus into minus minus sin theta cos theta. Now minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Next cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now simplification we will do. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Cos theta sin theta is same as sin theta cos theta. Both are same, but one is positive, one is negative. What is remaining? 0. Cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta, both are same, but one is positive, one is negative. 0. Cos square plus sin square theta is 1. This is the our answer. Or you can say identity matrix. This is how the answer of this question number 6 stands. So remaining the questions we will do in the next class. Hope everybody have understood the example. Go on, repeat, watch again and again the videos. So all the examples will become very easy. Thank you, students. Babu.